Oh, hey everybody, welcome to the Raised Gardener. Just came outside real quickly just to check the soil, and we're gonna get definitely some rain here tonight. That's what they're saying, and all day tomorrow. So I wanted a couple of potatoes, so I just checked this first plant, and well, I mean, the solar light out of the way first of all. I'm gonna get right in here. Look at that. Check that out. Solar light and everything. I wanted a few for breakfast tomorrow. Figured I'd go in and just grab a couple right out of the oil. There's a couple, 3 here. Yeah, we'll grab this guy here too. I can feel some more, but you know what? Yeah, that's a small one. That's a small one. Could have left them. There's a couple bigger ones. Check that out. Awesome. We'll put the solar light over here now. We'll move them off to the side. Look at that. The dandelions growing. Pile some soil back up. Might as well check the second plant right while we're at it. Oh yeah. One down here. Couple down there. Just reaching in and around, seeing what's, yep, what we got. Fantastic. Some nice loose soil. Loosened it up, did a quick hilling just around here the other, just yesterday. Did it yesterday. Just gonna check this other plant. I'll probably spin away here for a moment. Yep. There's a few. Check them out. That's good. Good news. Questions, comments, subscribe. Go ahead. Check it out. Not wearing the Calgary Flames stuff today because I was wearing my Halo 3 stuff. So, a couple potatoes for a quick snack. What do you do with them? Cube them up, slice them up, boil them, whatever you do. I like cubing them. Butter, margarine, whatever, onions, throw some stuff in there, salt and pepper, a couple mosquitoes out, nothing really. Awesome. Thanks for watching.